There's a very large police presence here to the left. A number of officers have been here throughout the day. And speaking of police, an officer tells me this protest actually started on September 1st by a group of 9 people, and now it's grown to more than 1,000. A row of police officers stand guard on Wall Street as thousands of protesters flock to the heart of the financial district to have their voices heard.
Banks got bailed out, we got sold out. Banks got bailed out, we got sold out.
I'm pretty frustrated. I thought we voted for change in 2008. Obviously, we didn't get that.
A number of these protesters say they're fed up with high unemployment and the nation's current economic situation.
Also, we're here in solidarity with everyone around the globe right now, from Egypt to Greece to everywhere else where they're out in the streets, and they're not going to take it anymore. They're not going to have their lives bartered away by people in offices that have nothing to do with their lives.
Protest organizers say people from a large spectrum of political affiliations are represented at this weekend's event, an event some say will last through the week to come.
I've talked to a lot of people who vote strictly Republican that are here. I've talked to Tea Party members. I've talked to people who vote Democrat, and then just, black bloc anarchists. There's everybody in between.
Meanwhile, a heavy police presence has been seen all day and will remain throughout the night, just in case anything gets out of hand. At this point, the protests have been peaceful. The NYPD says they haven't arrested anyone, and as of now, it's still unclear if the police will allow protesters to stay here at Zuccotti Park. We will be on the story and bring the latest as it becomes available.